In this video I will show you guys how to move a text box in Google Docs documents. So what we need to do first, we need to add a text box. Go to Insert, then to Drawing, click on New, and now we will add a text box. Click on this icon and create your text box. Maybe you want to give it a nice color, give it some background color and maybe also some border colors. Let's make it red. We will make the lines a little bit thicker by clicking on this option, and now we have created a text box. Click on Save and Close, and now this text box will be added into your document. The next step to move the text box is basically click on it, hold it, and then you should be able to move it. But as you can see, it is stuck on the document. To give it a free movement in your document, then you can first maybe resize it a little bit. And once you have done that, you have some options below it. Now what we want to do is we want to place it in front of the text. So we will click on this option. And once you have done that, then you can freely move your text box in your Google Docs document.